Hi guys, what's up YouTube? You already know the vibe. My name still remains Ericocity and I am a professional intraday trader, right? So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys an important update or a new development as the case might be. And once again, I want to say a very big thank you to you all. All the views, the likes, the comments, and the overall growth of my YouTube channel. Every single action counts, and I honestly take none of that for granted. So I am super grateful for everything, and I want to say to you all, God bless you. Lately, I've been thinking of the possible ways in which I can keep up with posting here on YouTube consistently. And in one of my previous videos, I already did a review on some of these problems. I think they are reputable, renowned, and reliable, prop firm that I can purchase and pay out space. I do get my money as well. And if you're yet to watch the video, by the way, it will be somewhere around the screen. So, but right now, I just want to announce to you guys that I have finally purchased a 5K prop firm account with 5%. A friend actually advised that I should go for the 50K or 100K account. I completely understand the hype, and I'm also aware of the pressure that comes with both the P and L fluctuation and the comment section bashing. But I have decided to start with a 5K account and progress from there. Reasons being that this is the first time I am doing this, and this will be coming with a bigger responsibility and accountability for whatever I am putting out here. In return, I will definitely need you guys to keep showing me that support as you have always did, with the likes, the views, the comments. Keep sharing, let's reach more audience, more people to subscribe to my channel, and together let's have a bigger family. I am here to come up with a title for the 5K account documentary, but whenever I'm ready to start putting it out there for you guys, I will definitely get one. And another thing here is, apart from the rules and regulations of the prop firm that I must abide to in order to successfully get payouts from them, I also have mine written down just to, guide my actions in the market. Then I also have another one pasted on the wall, which I will be showing you guys shortly. So there is this saying that it's not about doing 40 things at once. It's about doing one thing 40 times, just to build that repetitiveness, doing one thing over and over again. So without further ado, let's check it out together. Okay guys, so this is the one I have pasted on the wall, and you can see that I titled it my chain of distribution strategy. I know you guys might will start thinking of one of those subjects that I was taught in school. Yeah, but it's still the same concept, just as from the producer to the wholesaler to the retailer, it's still the same thing. So this is more like a systematical approach that I have to follow till I get to this very stage whereby I'll press that buy or sell button, right? So from the structure here, you can see we have lows, highs, then till we get to this very area here. I also use an indicator called RSI, which simply means relative strength index, right? So what that entails is when price action is giving us higher lows and higher high, then RSI is giving us lower highs and lower low. That's an indication that there is going to be a potential reversal in the market, just as it's illustrated here. So we had a change of structure here, then price pulls back, then continues selling. You can see the transition from here to this downtrend. So that's what I have written here. So this is the first thing I want to spot out. Once I spot this out, it is not confirmed until we get a change of structure. After this, then that is when we start looking for a retest. Is just a minor move anyways, while the pullback is a major one. So just as you can see here, it pulled back, then it continues down. But in order for you don't just jump in without seeing some form of rejection or some pattern. So that is where this guy
comes in. That's where my entry criteria comes in. And there are three of them that I'm looking out for. This is a engulfing candlestick pattern. The second one is weak exhaustion, multiple weak exhaustion, and change of structure on the 1 minute time frame. So yeah, that's just what it means. Then once I'm able to see any of these, that is when we get to the stage where I can now press that buy or sell button. And for the continuation pattern, yeah, it's still almost the same thing. The only difference here is we have a change of structure here. Price transition from an uptrend into a newfound downtrend, while here is just basically following the trend. So you can see that we have a test, then it took out the previous high, created a new high. Now you're waiting for a retest, then and your entry criteria to execute. So it's still written down here. You can see it's just break of structure of the previous high and creating a new high. Then to the next stage, which is the retest or pullback as well. Then after this phase, then you start looking for your entry criteria, which is this guy's engulfing candlestick pattern with exhaustion and all of that. Then after you must have seen all of this, you go, that is when you execute. That is when you press that buy or sell button. So this is just basically what it means, and it's just something to guide my actions in the market. This is basically me doing one thing over and over and over again without, you know, doing any other thing opposed to what I have written down here. So I believe this will still be helpful for you guys that are watching. Based on your own strategy, you might still want to implement something like this to your own strategy. So I hope this will be helpful. I wouldn't want this video to be longer than this, and if you have watched this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate. This video, I believe, is jam-packed with a lot of value, a lot of insight. And if you enjoy this sort of content, do well to smash the like and subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I drop gem like this. Until next time, let's grind, let's grow, let's fly, and let's elevate. Peace.